So I got this alarm clock and I love it because I can put it where it just brings up the light and that wakes me up and I feel so much more refreshed than tired. And I think it's just because of the purpose of having the light naturally wake you. It has different functions, so I can use it as a lamp if I wanted to as well. And there's 20 different settings, so you can make it brighter, lighter, darker. You can also have it go to bed, so it'll slowly go darker as you're trying to sleep. So you have different options, and you can set 2 different alarms. You can have a weekday alarm, and then you can have a weekend alarm. But that is probably one of the best things that I ever purchased. I was thinking about it for a really long time, and then my friend was like, "Ooh, I got one, and I love it." So I followed her footsteps, and I got one too.